Hello everyone and welcome back again to my channel. So for today's vlog is gaming. Okay, so gaming accessories and gaming and gadgets. Okay, so for today's vlog is I'm gonna show to you all of my games in my Nintendo Switch Lite and Vito since my here it is. Okay, my Nintendo Switch Lite and also my Nintendo Switch Vito. So since I have all the games that I have all the games in my Nintendo Switch Lite. So also there's also have some games in here. So I have, okay, and I'm gonna what is this called? I'm gonna switch into the different camera angle so that you can see, okay, so that you can see all of the games that I have in my Nintendo Switch. Okay, either Lite and Vito. So here it goes, guys. So here is my Nintendo Switch Lite. So and also I have my Nintendo Switch Vito since uh since both the same have what is this called? Both the same have the same games that I installed. So all of the games that I have installed here are all in my Nintendo Switch Lite. So I just want to show to you. I just want to show to you my, okay, first my Nintendo Switch the original. This is the Vito. Okay, this is the Vito. So in here I have all the games that I have all the games that I also have in my Nintendo Switch Lite. Since the Nintendo Switch Lite is the one that I am been using wherever I go. So I have some Pokemon Tournament DX, I have some Pokemon Unite, Gems of War, Fortnite, Knockout City, but Knockout City is not available anymore in Nintendo Switch. I think they removed it in their database. Okay, and also I have some Skyforge, a role-playing game, and I really like this one. So it's a highly addictive game, just like the Legends of Zelda. Okay, just like the Legends of Zelda, and it's also a free first person shooter and offline game, Cover Fire, and also has a YouTube Arena of Valor, in which I already like this one. Also I always playing this one. This is a MOBA game. Okay, and also as Asphalt 9 Legends, Mario Kart 8, Dragon Ball Fighter Z. Okay, and also I have some Need for Speed Hot Pursuit Remastered, Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2, and Overwatch 2. And also I have some Warface, Mortal Kombat 2 Ultimate Jump Force, and also Dragon Ball Z Kakarot, and Super Kirby Clash, Fall Guys, Omega Strikers 2, NBA 2K21, Super Mario Smash Brothers, and also DC Universe Online, Ninja La. Okay, and also Street Fighter third, okay, 30th anniversary collection. Okay, all of the games that here I just sync it into my uh main account in my the same account in my Nintendo Switch Lite. Since my Nintendo Switch Lite is the only is the Nintendo Switch Lite is my go-to portable handheld gaming. So let's go and gonna check it out right here. Okay, so here it is my Nintendo Switch Lite. Okay, and then there it goes, and then here it goes. Okay, and we have too much game right here. So I need to upgrade this into, I think, 1 terabyte, and also I need to upgrade this into 512 gigabyte, my Nintendo Switch V2. So again, Need for Speed Hot Pursuit Guardian Tales. Yes, I really like this one. I really like this game so much. It is an highly addictive, and also one of my favorite Pokemon Unite, Mortal Kombat again, Ultimate, Mario Kart, Pokemon Shining Pearl, and also Skyforge, and a Pokemon Quest, Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel. I also love this one. Trading cards game, and also Gems of War, a highly addictive. Gems of War is also a highly addictive game. Puzzle, it is just only a puzzle game, but it is so very challenging, very nice, very nice to play. It is also a headache sometimes. It's because I always lose in this game. Okay, and also I have some Puzzle Galaxy, cozy game, and it's a touchscreen game. It's a touchscreen game, and also you can use the controller if you want to, and also Arena of Valor again. So, and here I have some Pokemon Home and Pokemon Tournament, Realm Royale. Okay, live this game also. Dragon Ball Fighter Z, Street Fighter, and also again Jump Force, and also Overwatch 2, Rogue Company, Cars Driven to Win, Dauntless. Okay, I also love this game, although Dauntless, and also Cyber Protocol Pro League. It is a headache to me, but it is a challenging game, right? It is okay. Honestly speaking, it is a challenging game. It is a mind game. It's a mind game, and also I have some Apex Legends, and also again a Warface, updated. Okay, updated game, and also Asphalt 9 and Opus Castle. And I think I cannot, it's because it is too dark game for me. Okay, Cover Fire. Even though I like dark, even though I really like what is this called, games, horror games, but it's too dark for me. Okay, so okay, Cover Fire, offline game, and also Super Kirby Clash, Super Mario Smash Brothers, and also Pikachu. Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu, and also I have some Blast Blue Cross Tag Battle, Fantasy Strike, Brawlhalla, Light Seekers. It is a trading card game, Pokemon Tournament, Pinball Arcade, and also Pokemon Legends Arceus. Okay, we have Pokemon, and also Omega Strikers. Smite is a MOBA game. Tray Racers, Pokemon Cafe Remix, Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2, and also a Pokemon Sword, Super Dragon Ball Heroes, Pokemon Let's Go Eevee, World of Tanks Blitz, and also Knockout City is not available anymore. Okay, EX Fighting EX Layer, and also got some YouTube, and also Fortnite, Dragon Ball Z Kakarot, and also Lost Lands Dark Overload free to play. So, and also Punchman. Okay, I really don't like this one, but I just want to know what is this kind of game. So I already played this game also, and also the Ninjala. Okay. Okay, and also the NBA 2K21, and also the Fall Guys, and Pokemon TV, and also Digimon Story Cyber Sleuth Complete Edition. So Turbo Shot, see, love this one also, love this game, and also Island Savers by NatWest, and also uh, online streaming anime Crunchyroll, and also Snowmoto Racing Freedom, and also the DC Universe Online, and Super Bomberman R Online, and Brawlhalla. So also some re-download software, so you can check that okay, in the Play Store, Play Store, in the eShop. So, but this is only the game that I have for my Nintendo Switch Lite in Vita, since my account is sync into my Nintendo Switch Vita. So that is why I have some games that I can also like to play again. So this is only the game that I have for my Nintendo Switch. Okay, okay. So okay, that's it. That is just only the game that I have for my Nintendo Switch Lite and Vito. Either they are the same games that I just have to cross, what is this called, uh re-download into my Vito, since the account of my Vito is my account is the account that I use in my Nintendo Switch Lite, since my Nintendo Switch Lite is my go-to portable handheld gaming that I can use everywhere I go, anywhere I go. So this because it is because the Nintendo Switch Lite is also is really the portable one. Okay, it's really the portable one, and I can use it also, and I can use, I can bring it anywhere also. And also I did bring my Nintendo DS and 3DS, and also my Game Boy Advance SP. Okay, so I think that's it for today's vlog, and I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, so next time is we're gonna be having, okay, next, okay, I think tomorrow. Yes, it's because it's because I always uploaded every vlog every day. Okay, so see you again tomorrow for another great video here in my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. So please don't forget to subscribe. Okay,